arrive in style with this Kia 2020 Soul GT Line Turbo. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 1.6-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 201 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel and automatic with auto-shift transmission. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.